Robinhood vs Moomoo, best stockbroker? About Robinhood. Robinhood is super beginner-friendly, clean mobile app, very easy to trade. No fees on stocks, ETFs options, and crypto trades. Trade popular cryptocurrencies directly in the app. Quick access to funds, limited amount instantly. Start investing with as little as $1. About Moomoo. The Moomoo desktop platform offers a comprehensive and customizable interface tailored for both beginner and advanced traders. Real-time Level 2 data, detailed charts, screeners, and heat maps. Tons of financial data, earnings calendars, and analyst ratings. Access to US, Hong Kong, and Chinese A-shares with eligibility. Choose Robinhood if you're a beginner who wants easy stock and crypto investing, no confusion, and quick setup. Choose Moomoo if you want better charting, real-time data, and deeper research tools, even as a beginner aiming to level up fast. Thanks for watching.